Hello there. So my name is Edward Bacon, but please just call me Eddie. So I'm the head of general education at Rangsit University International College, and so I'm happy to announce a new online writing workshop that is being put on in conjunction with S4PPD and Rangsit University International College. We are offering a 10-week online writing workshop specifically for Burmese students who are wishing to study at a Thai university in the future. All right, so let me talk a little bit about this program. Okay, so as you can see here from the picture, this was called the RIC Language Center, and so this was an on-site center where students from the RIC students, and we have students from 25 different countries. This is where students help other students with their English skills. But during COVID, we had to switch this to an online facility. And so what I'd like to do, or what we'd like to do, in conjunction with S4PPD and Rangsit University International College, is to offer a free, let me stress, a free online 10-week English writing workshop. And so what this will do is this will prepare the Burmese students that are in this program. It will prepare them to be ready to take the IELTS writing test 2. Okay, so this is where we teach you how to write an IELTS-based opinion essay. And so by the end of this 10-week course, you will be able to get at least, because what I do is I teach you this program on how to write a 4-paragraph IELTS-based essay. So it's a little different than GED, but it's an IELTS-based essay. And I'm going to teach you strategies on how you can excel at this and get at least a B2 or higher. All right. So in this program, I have a 98% success rate. All right. And as like a kind of like a prize or like a motivating factor to finish this program, because when we have this program, many students start, but very few finish. Okay. So what we're offering for all the Burmese students that join this 10-week program is that if you finish all the courses, all 10 courses, and you take the writing the pre-test, then take the 10 courses, then take the post-test, then we will reward you with it's a new British Council online English test. So normally this test would cost about $50. Okay, so around in Thai baht maybe 1,700 baht. But if you finish this program, it is free. Okay, so what it's meant to do, it's meant you will get a physical certificate endorsed by not only the British Council but also Rangsit University International College. And so this is a document that you can take to either an employer to prove your English proficiency, or some universities will accept this for enrollment. So at Rangsit University International College, we will accept this as well. All right. So if you're interested in joining this 10-week free, might I add, free online writing workshop, what I want you to do is I want you to fill out the Microsoft form that you'll see in this post. All right. And anyways, I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.